Hey, 2510, Fireman.
You're looking good in my receipt too, no doubt about it. Alright, number 2, you take care. 125 is going to say bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye 125. You did it in a fine style too there. Take care, 125. 2510, aloha.
Number 2 in Honolulu says aloha.
Get on my hill now.
Bye, 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 bye.
Hey, 2510, Fireman.
25. Come on down.
Hey, 125, Tahiti in there too there. Take it, 125. Take it, Tahiti station. Hello, 125. 2510.
Hey, 2510, tell 125, a little bit of makeup will fix it up. I'll see you, bye.
Right there, Bulldozer with a little makeup. Bulldozer with a little makeup. There's a lot of stations out there inside my radio.
Come on, number 2, 125, 125. 125.
The south side of the Big Island, 06 postman down on the main road.
You gonna need a tin of Bondo there, break? Hey, 2510, Fireman, cruising his mobile now.
Number 2, number 2, number 2.
Tell him I was too long-winded now.
Who says have a good day? Alright, come on, number 2.
Yeah, how about it there, 2510. How about there, 2510, milkman. He's got the milk on the boil. He's got the hot milk. Hello there, 2510.
Lulu, 2510 Mobile, looking at Tahiti. Your Honor, 2510. Take care of that 125.
Hey, 2510.
Hey, Bulldozer, what you doing? Bulldozer, 220.
39.
I'm looking after a bit of makeup work there, 220.
Yeah, right. Already, Bulldozer.
Got conditions, man. Bulldozer, big guy, let's go.
Right there, 220. I've got a lot of work ahead of me, man. There's some real ugly duck pluckers out there, and they need a... Check it in, check it in, check it in. Keep on keeping on. 220 Bulldozer, you on now?
Hey, Bulldozer, 2510 want to play with him. Hey, Bulldozer, 2510 want to play with him too. Aloha.
You want to play with their 2510? Are you ready for 220? 2510 wants to play there, 10-4.
My Bulldozer, he waiting for me to key up. But it doesn't matter, man. 2510 gone.
Bulldozer, slow key. I'm back.
Yeah, that's a bit shifty there, 220. Really slow key, man. And might spot but off the key. Right there, 220. You waited, but you waited a bit too long. Some sort of thing happened there, mate. Hey, 2510, 170, down under.
2510, aloha.
Hey, 2510, 170, down under.
Oh, he was feet on the key. I was waiting for one of the guys on the Big Island to get off.
2510, 170.
Back wide.
Tell him don't be long with it. 220, don't be long with it now. 2510.
Shaka, gone. But it's a neck and neck sort of situation there, man. But I did hear shaka. You can get the rest. Break.
2510. Hey, Bulldozer, you got it going on right there too there. Bulldozer, 2510.
Hey, 2510, about the only way I can describe this situation is current 1036.
Copy? Real good.
Look, someone snuck in there.
Come on down. 125.
Aloha, Hawaii, Fireman.
2806 postman down under Waven.
Bits and pieces go.
2510, taking a ride. 2510, taking a ride in Honolulu. 2510, go.
2510, Fireman, bottom side. 2510, Fireman, hello now. Got it now, number 2, bye.
And 2510, got him off. Bye-bye.
You set him up, didn't you, my squad? You set him up.
Shame on that.
2510.
I cut him off.
You them up. Alright there, 2510. I'm going to get out of here. This is officially the time I'm going to go quiet. Let the other boys pick up the pieces. 2510. Your cosmetic surgeon making the video gates and all the movie stars look real good. Your lip surgeon is back quiet.
Right back, the video game goes show. All the cutoff. The video game goes right.
Get in there too, 212. Alright, I gotta go. I'll let the boys pick up the pieces. I'm back out.
2510 Mobile, aloha.
Hey, 2510, can the fireman pick up any pieces? Hey, 2510, can fireman down under pick anything up? Playtime is officially over.
Have a good night.
Hey, 2510, can fireman pick up any pieces?
Yeah, 125, I still got you, 125.
Hey, 2510, can fireman pick up any pieces now? Come on, Scott.
Honolulu.
Alright, 2510, have a good day out there. Fireman want to pick up a few pieces in his mobile and I'm gone.
Tahiti, 2510.
Hey, hello 220, hello all the boys out around the island. Fireman in a mobile, break. Don't do makeup in Tahiti, it's too far.
Right there. I'll go say hello to Fireman. Take care, Fireman. I'll let you know. I hear you too there, Fireman.